Class is in session. I'm going to show you how to apply your press-on nails so that they last a long time. Pay attention. First, you're going to want to start with clean, dry nails. Clean and dry. Nothing on them. No moisturizer, no cuticle oil, no nail polish, nothing. Nada. Zip. Nothing. Then you're going to want to make sure your free edge of your nail is like shorter, slightly shorter than what you probably would normally have it. This means that you'll have more time before your nail grows out for your press-ons, okay? That didn't even make any sense, but you get what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
Number 2, you're going to want to push your cuticles back. In my pack of press-on nails, they always come with a prep kit. Every single thing that you need, okay? Okay, so you're going to use the little cuticle pusher included to push your cuticles back. Push them back.
Okay.
The cuticle is the little bit of skin in between your finger and your nail. It grows onto your nail, okay? Push that part back. Don't use no cuticle remover, just push it back, okay? Then you're going to take the little nail file included in your prep kit and use that to buff the shine off your natural nail. See. You're just going to go back and forth. You'll be able to tell when all the shine is removed. Bonus points to get in between the little side walls and down below by the cuticle. It makes a big difference, trust me. Third, you're going to want to wipe your nails down with an alcohol wipe. This step is optional. I've used alcohol wipe and no alcohol wipe, and I haven't really found it's made much of a difference for me, but it might for you, especially if you have oily nails. That's going to remove all the dust. Fourth, you're going to place a little blob of glue on the inside of your press-on nail. A little blob. It doesn't have to be massive. It doesn't have to take up the full nail. A blob, a drop. Okay. Then you're going to quickly flip that nail over and press and hold it on the nail that you want it to be glued on. Press and hold. Once you've pressed and held for about 10 seconds, it will be adhered, stuck on. You might have some excess glue around your nail and your finger. That's just life. It'll wash off. Repeat those steps for all the rest of the nails, and voila, those nails will last you 2 to 4 weeks, depending on if you've done it right or not. I've had up to 4 weeks with my nails. Personally, I recommend taking long nails off after about 2 weeks. Okay, and that is how to successfully apply your press-on nails. Easy peasy. Follow these steps and I promise you'll have nails that last just as long as acrylics, except they're reusable.